to be for me to close my eyes. I'm burping again, dang it. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. Oh, that slipped out. That slipped out. Adjusting the knobs of his night vision goggles. Hi, Rosmo. Sorry, I'm late. Do you still remember me? Hi, Rachel. Yeah. That's for you. Actually, that was an accident. Frick, I need to get it out of my system. I already clicked on it. It's so laggers. In that time period. It's Dark Magician. Sorry, I burped. I had a good dinner. Asriel, if I get anything wrong in this quiz, let me know, okay? Getting it right. Wait, Frick, I got it wrong twice, huh? Frick, I gotta drink. I gotta get it. I hate this. But Dill is right here. Sorry. Simping detected. It's like sarcasm, but that's legit. Put it back. Is it alright if I not talk for like... Okay, 7 burps. Coming right up, chat. I think that was 7. Yeah, that was 7. We goods? We goods. Okay. Don't underestimate my burping game, guys. This is the only time you can make me burp 7 freaking times. Then yeah, okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna burp. I'm sorry, guys, who doesn't want to burp. This is the last time you will ever hear Rosmo burping, okay? Okay, we're good? We're good. Alright, let's go back.